Brave browser. It is free and open source web browser based on Chromium web browser. How to installation in your system. Browser. Open Google search box lo Brave browser download. Enter key press. Official link first section lo display. brave.com download first link. Click. Brave official redirectory web page complete display. Brave browser download section lo get Brave for Windows operating system default detected and display. In case other OS operating system users download this Brave browser, bottom side first one supporting OS Windows, Mac OS, Linux. Users related OS option click. Present Windows, first one Windows, click. Direct get Brave browser Windows, white color button, click. Brave browser setup.exe setup file downloading process completed. Browser close. Desktop file explorer document open. Left side downloads folder lo Brave setup file display. Select mouse double click. Brave software update setup window lo first button yes click. Connecting to internet system verification process start. Wait and here few seconds. Download folder minimize. Downloading 2 minutes remaining. Wait and here 2 minutes depending on internet speed. Download complete. Please wait installing. After system configuration verify process completed. Application installing process start. Brave browser desktop shortcut display. Interface maximize. Privacy by default set Brave as default browser. Skip second button click. Any other browsers installed in your system are related passwords, links, default insert in Brave or import settings. Import click. Unnecessary first button skip click. Second button maybe later click. Finish button click. Welcome to Brave. Top section lo address bar mouse left click. Google and type enter key press. Privacy settings right side 3 dots customize and control Brave button click. Last two second one settings option click. First one get started. Profile name and icon right side arrow click. Interface complete. Theme pink blue. Set your convenient settings. New tab click. Like this theme. Next backward second one Microsoft Internet Explorer. Microsoft Internet Explorer related settings and URLs passwords saved as the same. Inserting import in Brave browser. Right side down arrow click. Edge select browsing history. Brave browser import second button click. Unnecessary cancel. Next dashboard right side down arrow click. Dashboard different themes. New tab like this. Complete empty display. Second one blank page set. New tab click. Complete blank page display. And home page set. Themes set in next appearance. First one themes already set. Second one customize your toolbar. Second one icon click. Home page top side shortcut icons set. Very useful. VPN unnecessary offset. Next download icon necessary on set. Top section download icon. Create QR code. Brave news unnecessary off. Bookmark panel on. Close. Next content font size. Interface related fonts change small large page zoom default 100%, interface size. Next, privacy settings, delete browsing data option, click. Third one, on exit set all options tick mark. Second button, save, click. Automatic searching history clear. Web RTC IP handling policy, right side down arrow, click. Third one, disable non-proxied UDP set. Next, shields block scripts, right side on, click. Block cookies, right side down arrow, click. All cookies set. Search engine default Brave, right side change. Different search engines display, Google, DuckDuckGo, Bing, Google. Search engine set default, click.